Move the stadium a little bit to your left.
Yeah. What about that? How's that?
A little bit more. Tiny bit more. There we go.
Yeah! Hello everybody, my name is Quake and Megan. I'm joined by Instaburst and not Daniel Kizzle. He was really offended that I didn't introduce him like 2 videos ago, and so I feel like doing it now that he's not here. And I told him he couldn't be here, so hi DK, take that. Today,
Wow.
yeah, I'm a bad friend. Today we have 2 new bays. We have DragonKin on the single gear, the innerweight disc, and a X Stadium compatible core called X Ball. It is, yeah, this thing's kind of like a Excalibur style attacker, but I decided to put it on something that's, you know, more of a defensive shape to kind of have like middle of the stadium aggression instead of out of the stadium and then no stamina towards the middle. Versus Punish. And Punish is just kind of like a aggressive defense. Punish is on CWD and a free spin ring that I kind of made randomly. So I just had it lying around. I thought this would go well, kind of protect from lower attacks in case there is some steep tilt action. I don't know. And it's on Tapered Sharp, which is the same core that Rcaster used, and it's Battle against BEYBLADES.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys want to see more backlash? Say yes.
Say yes. Yes.
Yeah, no, not even like a comment yes, just say yes, like out loud to yourself. I'll know.
I'll hear it.
Okay. Whoa!
Oh!
The defense type works. Who would have guessed? Insane.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That was sick. Oh, it almost got DragonKin to burst.
Oh, that's nuts.
Yeah, and Punish is doing fine. Didn't even care. Punish is like, I don't care. What? What are you doing? You're sharp. You can't do that. That's illegal.
Come on.
All right. I guess DragonKin's going in first. Whoa! What? Dude! That's 4-0. That's actually insane.
Yeah, he wanted more too.
Yeah.
Wait, isn't it 3-0?
Was it an outspin or a KO the first round?
Pretty sure that's been first round.
Oh, well then yeah, it would be 3-0.
Yeah.
Oh, DragonKin was not taking that disrespect. It's 3-all, and also DragonKin was getting really close to bursting there.
That's nuts.
That was wild. Woo! Okay.
Wow.
We got a real battle on our hands now.
We've got a battle.
Yeah, I was just about to say. Oh man, I'm not used to like assembling it with the brace attachment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was really worried this was about to be super one-sided, but
well, I put those fears to bed because this is fucking wild. Oh! All right.
4-3. No joke.
No, the joke. No. Insta, we're doomed. Ooh. Okay. Well, DragonKin's got terrible balance, but Punish is really low. Ah! That's 4-all. Holy cow.
4-all.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do something. I don't think this has been expressed on the channel as much. Now, I'm not sure if this is a balanced design or not, but as you can see, the single gear's weight is pointed on this end. I'm actually gonna pop it out and pop out. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. All right. Okay. Mode change successful. It is now, should be more balanced. We'll see. It might not be.
We'll just have to see about that.
We'll just have to see about that. Grah! You remember that part from Dragon Ball?
Yeah.
I remember that part
when
from
the,
Dragon
when
Ball.
the Dragon's Ball.
DragonKin's balls? No way! Whoa, that like made it way worse. It's even more powerful now.
Yeah. Welcome back, Storm Capricorn.
DragonKin, you have to hit it. Yeah, what? No way! That was a perfect tie. Insane.
4-4 still.
She said I got tickets to Iron. Oh! Oh! That was sick.
6-4. Kimbo height joke.
Kimbo height joke.
Yeah.
If Kimbo ever watched my videos, I'd be like, "Hi, Kimbo," but I know he doesn't. So I'm sad. It's tragedy. Wow, this has hops. It's hopping like crazy.
Welcome back, Storm Capricorn.
Kill it, I guess. Murder would be preferable if you killed it. I guess not. What the hell happened? It was so aggressive in low spin before, but now it's not. 6-5? 6-5. Look at that.
Yes.
What a winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
God.
What's the score now? 7-6?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god. It lived! It actually lived. That's wild.
That's easy. Burst it.
One of them's gotta burst. After something like that, that's crazy. Or Punish could just scrape out, maybe? Yeah, I don't think Punish is pulling back from this. Okay.
Is that 7-7?
I think so, yeah. Holy shit.
Oh, crap.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Alright, watch it just push Punish down and it scrapes out, and it's 8-7, DragonKin's favor.
Oh my god.
Is it actually? There's no way. There was a joke, it was a meme before. I was just kidding. No way, dude! Ugh. DragonKin has no stamina, though. He takes it anyways! 8-7!
8-7!
Huge.
Oh my god! 10-7.
Alright, thanks everybody for watching. We definitely didn't go up to 20, just for fun.
You'll never see the footage.
Oh, dude! Wait, whoa! Look at that! Right there, you see that? DragonKin broke Punish! Holy shit!
Wow.
Wow. That was... How bad is it? Wow, yeah, split right through the base. Can you see that?
Yep.
Whoa. Gnarly. Okay. That sucks. I have to reprint Punish now. Fuck. Ah! Dude, I want you to know, Terminate's going to be out before this video. I want you to know that Terminate broke against another Bay. I had to reprint that too before we record with it. Now I have to do Punish too. This sucks. I hate it here. I hate it here.